I'm making my birthday cake. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Making that. Can I put this? I can make it. Then I will add water. It's water. We can make water. Can I do like this? Put this? Can I put iron? Then I will need this. Slowly, it's done. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's finished. Alhamdulillah. Mama steam this. Mama need more egg. I need more water. Mama need more water. Can I add? It's done. Oh yum. This is my cake. I add water. And this I add this. I boil it. My birthday, Mama put this. We add more. My birthday gift is ready. Birthday cake. Where is my birthday gift? This in oven. Happy birthday to me. Is that cake? I cut the cake. Bye everyone. See you next time. I want to eat birthday cake. Bye bye. Wonderful.